Now today I've came down to the vintage ploughing match at Oakbank farm near Longtown. It's the Barber family that's providing the field for the ploughing today. So there seems quite a good turnout. I'm going to go along and have a look at all the tractors that's working today. Here we have a competitor from Holland. Seemingly he's heading to Ireland next, or heading down that way. Wondered why there's a different number plate there. Hello there.
Hello.
Nice day for the job.
Yeah.
And you're from Holland?
Yeah.
So you do lots of this, I believe.
Yeah, I plough a lot of times.
You're heading for Ireland as well?
Yep.
When's that? When do we go to Ireland?
Northern Ireland.
Yes.
Yeah. Kelly. Tomorrow I plough
Right.
here, very close to here.
So you must be quite a good ploughman to come all this way.
Yeah, I
be
hope
very
so.
interested.
Yeah.
And do you have a farm at home?
No.
No.
I live in the top of Holland.
Right.
We grow flowers.
Flowers,
Tulips, daffodils,
right.
crocus,
That sort of thing, yeah.
hyacinth.
And how long have you had your...
But we have to do all the time ploughing and working on it. We make it totally flat out with the laser.
So what age is your Ferguson here? Massey Ferguson?
Yeah, Massey Ferguson.
What age?
This one is from 58.
58.
Yeah.
Right.
It's just
So
for the vintage class.
And what sort of plough do you have?
Ransom, it's from England.
Ransom? Yeah.
It's from England.
I thought it might be...
55 somewhere.
It's a blue one, yes.
Yeah. Changed a little bit.
So when is the judging taking place now? Is it finished?
I think so.
Yeah.
They've seen everything.
You've got to be finished by 2 o'clock, so you're finished in time.
In time.
Right. Okay then, take care.
Yeah.
It's very nice to see someone else coming across all the way from Holland. What's your name? Is it on the side of the tractor here? All right.
Loyenstein.
Right. Thank you. So it's very, very proud of his tractor. He doesn't actually work in a farm. They have tulips and daffodils in northern Holland there. So he's, as I said, on his way to Northern Ireland, ploughing match over there. So it's he's a very good job, in fact, very good. So there we are. That pretty much concludes all of the tractors and ploughs today at Oakbank farm near Longtown. It's such a wonderful day for the job. A lot of flies around. And the finish looks pretty good there.